In October, the students at Reverend Samuel Delevoe Park's after-school program attended Farm City Days at Tradewinds Park and Stables. The grant-funded program brings schools to parks for hands-on experiential learning. First stop, the Apiary at Tradewinds with the Broward Beekeeper Association. Students learned about the importance of pollinators in agriculture, honey production, and saw a beehive up close and personal. Next, a hayride through the park to Tradewinds Stables for animal encounters and lessons about their byproducts. The students learned about dairy production and simulated the milking process. They even got hands-on with chickens and their eggs. At the Country House Museum, the students dived into embryology and learned how to candle eggs to see if there was a chicken embryo inside. Finally, the students learned about plants and how they go from farm to table at the Youth Environmental Alliance's Urban Educational Garden. They also learned what's needed to make a plant grow, the different parts of a plant, and how to care for a seed. Farm City Days at Tradewinds Park.